Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. I love having compact tools that I need to have at hand that easily fit in my pocket so I can carry them around. And the Stanley 4-in-1 screwdriver fits the bill. Let me show you why. So you got two sets of bits, and you've got two Phillips bits, a number 1 and a number 0. You flip this one around and you've got a 1/8 inch flat, and this one's got a 5/32 inch flat. And then when you're using them, you can pop the cap from the other end onto the end of the other cap so you don't lose stuff. Whether I'm in the shop or just around the house, I'm always running into something that I need a screwdriver for. Specifically, small electronics with the battery compartments that are held in by a screw. And those tiny screws in a pair of glasses, the Stanley works perfect. And it's great for projects around the shop as well. And the bits are magnetic, so they hang on to those tiny screws so you won't lose them. I love how easy it is to slip into my pocket with a clip to keep it from getting lost. So that's why the Stanley 4-in-1 is Family Handyman approved. To see more products we've tested and approved, visit us at familyhandyman.com.